Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive conversations on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see the Chats option. Go ahead and tap on it to view all your current conversations. This is where all your active chats are displayed and where you'll manage which ones stay visible and which ones you want to tuck away. Now, on your chat list, find the conversation you'd like to archive. This could be an older chat you don't need immediate access to, or simply one you want to keep out of sight for a cleaner inbox. Once you've found it, press and hold on that chat until a menu pops up. From the options that appear, tap Archive. This action will instantly move that conversation out of your main chat list and into your archived chats folder, helping you keep your active conversations more organized and clutter-free. The archived chat is now safely stored away but still accessible whenever you need it. Archiving doesn't delete the conversation or any of its messages, it simply removes it from your main view, which is perfect for keeping your chat list focused on the people you're actively talking to without losing important older threads. Now, if you ever want to bring an archived chat back to your main chat list, the process is just as simple. At the top of your chat list, you'll see an option labeled Archived Chats. Tap on it to open the folder where all your archived conversations are stored. Here you'll see every chat you've previously archived neatly organized in one place. Find the conversation you want to restore and long press on it just like you did before. A menu will appear again, and this time you'll see the option to unarchive. Tap on it and the conversation will immediately move back to your main chat list where it was originally. This makes it easy to manage your chats dynamically, archiving when you need space and unarchiving when a conversation becomes relevant again. And that's it. You've now learned how to archive and unarchive chats on Signal, giving you full control over how your conversations are organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.